Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you've ever dreamed about launching your very own t-shirt brand, something you can be proud of and that people could actually wear, this is the tutorial for you. Today, I'm walking you through how to start a successful t-shirt business powered by Shopify and Printful. By the end of this step-by-step guide, you'll know exactly how to connect your accounts, design custom shirts, and lay the foundation for a brand that could bring your ideas to life and maybe even a little extra income. All right, let's jump straight in. First, open up your internet browser and head over to Shopify. When you're on your Shopify dashboard, look for the search bar. That's your best friend whenever you want to add new tools or apps to your store. Go ahead and type Printful right into that search bar. Now, Printful is an industry standard for on-demand printing, which means you don't have to order shirts in bulk or keep inventory at your house. You design, they print, and then ship. So when you see Printful pop up, click to add or install the app. Once you've added Printful, you'll be prompted to connect your account. If you already have a Printful login, simply enter your details to get connected. If you don't worry. That just means you'll need to create one. Take a minute to fill in your name, email, and password. Connecting these accounts is how you power up your Shopify store, so your products and orders can automatically sync between Shopify and Printful. It's like linking two puzzle pieces. Shopify brings the customers, and Printful handles the production and shipping. Now, here comes the creative part, designing your own custom t-shirt. Inside the Printful dashboard, look for an option to create a product, then choose apparel and select t-shirts. There's usually a mock-up generator or design tool right in Printful, and it's designed to be pretty beginner-friendly. Upload your artwork, logo, or even just experiment with text if you're starting simple. Printful will show you real-time previews of how your design will look on different shirt colors and styles. Take your time here. This is where your brand's personality shines through. Want to stand out? Try bold fonts, unique colors, or maybe even a witty phrase. If you get stuck, remember, you can always revise later. And don't worry, everyone's first design takes a little tweaking. When you're happy with your design, set up your product details within Printful. This includes things like sizing options, colors, and pricing. Make sure the information matches what you want to offer on Shopify, as all those details will sync automatically. Double-check your final preview and product description. It's a good idea to imagine your ideal customer. What would they look for? What would make them say yes to your shirt? Once your shirt is designed and set up, you're essentially good to go. Your product will be synced directly to your Shopify storefront, ready for customers to see and buy. You don't have to worry about handling shipments or printing shirts at home. That's all done by Printful. As orders come in, the system will automatically process and fulfill them for you. It's just like setting up your own tiny clothing factory, but without any of the hassle. And there you have it. A basic but powerful workflow for launching your own t-shirt brand without complicated tech or huge upfront costs. If you followed along, your first custom shirt is now ready for the world. If you have any questions or want more tips on running a successful online store, drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit like if this video helped you, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on building your dream brand. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your t-shirt business.